Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Regular viewers of the channel know that I love adding ambient lighting to the interior of my Model Y. I think it really makes the interior stand out, brings it alive a little bit. So I'm a big fan of adding some custom lighting to my dashboard, my footwells, things like that. In this video, we're going to be talking about adding custom lighting to the sunroof area of your Model Y. Some nice, tasteful lighting around the sunroof, around your glass roof of your Model Y. Let's get into it. So jumping right over into the unboxing here, I want to give a big shout out to EV-Base. They sent me over this sunroof lighting kit for my Model Y, and I love their accessories. They make some amazing accessories for Tesla Model Ys, Model 3s, X's, S's, Cybertruck. If you're in the market for any Tesla accessories, definitely check out EV-Base. Let's unbox this and see kind of what it comes with and what we're going to be getting ourselves into here. So it comes initially with some 3M tape that you can kind of use to secure the lights around your sunroof, some electrical tape, we'll see where that goes, another trim tool, I probably have half a dozen of those at this point, and then the actual lighting kit. Scoot the box out of the way. It comes with 2 LED strips, one for each side of your sunroof, and I'll show you where all this goes. A nice little plastic pull-through tool, kind of a fish tape kind of tool we'll use to get underneath the headliner to pull it all through. Let's see the actual power cable and how it's all going to connect. You'll scan this QR code to get access to the app. That's just all app controlled. And these are RGB lights. So there's lots of different settings you can use. I personally like just a nice red setting, but we'll go through all of this in the setup video. The actual lights themselves, and then your kind of like power harness. This is going to be using the 12-volt outlet in the rear trunk area of your Model Y. I'll show you where that goes soon too. And then these are the actual light strips. So they're kind of nice, robust strips. They're not just tubes that shine the light through. These are nice ones, all adjustable. They're really, really nice. So these are going to fit on each side of your Model Y. Let's head over to the car, and I'm going to show you where everything kind of starts to go before we kind of get this installed. So we got everything brought over to the car, and I just wanted to do one more quick overview while we're here, kind of show you where things are going to be going. The actual cigarette plug is going to be plugging into your 12-volt outlet back here. And kind of routing up around some of your trim here and actually going through this actual roof panel. If you can see, you can kind of pull this down just a little bit. That fish tape, this plastic fish tape down here is going to allow us to go through that and into the cabin area where the wires are going to fish. When you get up in here, it's going to fish right underneath this panel. And then the 2 LED lights, one's going to be over on that side, and one's going to be over on that side, all nice and neat and tucked away. So I think that's where we're going to start, is actually putting the lights in up there, routing some of the wires to the back. So hopefully you can kind of tell what I'm doing here, and I'm not completely in the way of the camera, but I just want to kind of eyeball the actual length of this strip and see how it's all going to fit up in here. EV-Base provides some sticky tape, some 3M sticky tape. If you want to put some on the actual top here, and it'll actually stick to your roof glass, you can do that. I'm just going to try to tuck it in here and see how it kind of fits with a little bit of that LED strip just kind of poking out a little bit. We'll see kind of how it tucks back in here as we get this done. So the light's tucked in, and you want to just leave a little bit exposed so that you actually get some of that nice light coming in the cabin here. Let me back it out. Here, what we're going to do is we're going to be finishing the channel, finishing the light back up in here and pulling down some of this trim because I want the actual end of the cord to go through my hood liner here. So I'm going to work on that next. Now when you get the cord tucked into about this area where I have it, I'm going to head around to the back and see if I could fish that fish tape through from the back, and we'll get it to come out this side. So I have my white fish tape, kind of this piece of plastic. I'm just going to pull my headliner down just a little bit and try to go, I guess, above this piece of foam and just push it through and see if it comes out the other side or if I need to go in there and grab it. Oh, I see it coming down the other side right there. Nice. I can already grab it and pull it out. So now what I have to do is tape my wires to that fish tape, easily pull them all through. Piece cake. So over here on the driver's side, we're going to repeat the same process before we go ahead and fish any wires through the headliner. I'm going to go ahead and line up my LED lights up to the front here and just go ahead and start feeding them in. All right, so we have both LED strips run across both sides of our sunroof here. And I have the actual power wires coming from both sides right into my fish tape, which I fished through earlier. The next step is to attach these wires to this fish tape with just some electrical tape. And the whole point is so I can pull it through this roof liner here. So I'm going to go ahead and work on that next. So I taped my wires on from the inside and attached it to this fish tape here. So you can see if I give that a tug, it pulls right through, just using the included electrical tape that they include in the kit. Now we're just going to carefully kind of pull this through and see if we can guide it through our headliner. Make sure we're not hitting anything in here. There we go. And we got our wires pulled through. I'm going to go ahead and finish tightening these all up and get them all tucked in on the inside. Then I'll show you what to do with these wires on the back end here. So we got the wires pulled through, and now I'm just tucking them down underneath this kind of rubber gasket here into this nice channel, all the way down until we get down into behind this trim panel here over on the left. So I quickly ran the wires all the way down through the weather stripping here. Now I just want to pry off a little bit of this trim panel so I can access down below here just a little bit. So if I get up in here, it's just held on by a clip. If I just get my trim tool down in here, kind of work on, and just give it a little tug, it should pop out for me. That's actually about all the space I'm going to need. So I'm just going to pry my trim tool in here for now, just so I can see what's going on. Eventually I want to route my wires down in there, and I'm going to be using my 12-volt socket here to plug into the actual control box, which is all going to be hidden back up in there, as well as the wires here. So let's go ahead and do that. So the first thing I want to do is just bring you guys down in here. Right here is a cutout. If you've never seen this before in your Model Ys, they'll have this. And in here is your emergency pull release for your trunk. So we're going to be using that hole to kind of feed just a wire through. So I'm going to go ahead and plug in my kind of cigarette lighter outlet here. And up through this hole is going to be the end of the cigarette lighter. So I'm going to pop that right through there. And that's all it's going to be showing for this whole kit. So you can easily plug it in, unplug it when you want it, and you want to do something else with the lighter. No big deal. Taking our two ends of our LED strips, we're going to be taking the two ends of our control box here for everything. Make sure you scan this QR code before you put it all away back under here, because this is going to get you access to the app you need to control everything. So there's only one way these plug in. Hopefully I can get it here on camera. There's little arrows on them. Hopefully you can kind of see the little arrow there on this one, and the little arrow on this one. Push the arrows together. So you hear a nice kind of satisfying click, and that's all you got to do. All right, all of this is going to get tucked down in behind this trim panel, and the little wire we have coming from our actual outlet here is going to be plugging into this side of the box, and that's it. So real quick, I just want to show you guys it all buttoned up. This is the only piece of exposed wire you'll have just plugged into your cigarette lighter back here, but then all the other wires are tucked in through all the trim panels and all the rubber gaskets here up to the roof panel, and you can see the lights are working just fine. So I quickly just wanted to show you guys the app here. This is kind of what it looks like, and it's called Magic Lamp. This is fairly common to the other LED strips I've installed in my car here, but it's really just a simple control interface. You can easily choose the color of the lights if you want, using this circle here. You can easily change any of the colors of the lights to really anything in the rainbow. Then you can also control the brightness. So this is, I'm going to go back to the red. This is kind of how I have it now at like a 20% brightness. But that's full brightness. If I max it all the way, then I'll just show you real quick. You can slide it down and just change the brightness level to whatever you like, and then all the way off. So that's just a little bit of brightness there. So I like the customization here. If you come back here, you see this style button, and you can see all the different styles of the lights. Right now it's just the autoplay, which is kind of just what I understand is the solid lights. But if you switch to magic forward, you can show what that looks like. That's kind of your streamer mode, where it's the RGBs that go all the way up and down the lights there, and there's lots of other options here. I'm just going to scroll through this quick. You can get some fun blinking ones. You can get some gradual lights that just kind of looks like they pulse a little bit. Marquee lights, racing lights. All in all, there's about 47 different lights here. So really cool. It's a very simple app to use. There's also some music and microphone features if you want to get crazy and have a party in your Tesla. I just wanted to show you that that's how the app works. Well, that about wraps up this video on installing these sunroof lights from EVBase. I really like these lights. I think they add just a little bit more ambiance to the roof of your Model Y, a little bit more customization factor. You guys have followed the channel again. I love adding the red lights to my Model Y. I think they look great. These lights will do about 47 different presets, all kinds of things from streamer modes, left and right, all kinds of gaudy colors. You can adjust the brightness in all of these. Right now I have them set to red at about a 20% brightness, which is what I keep the rest of my ambient lighting at. So it just kind of matches. If you want to go brighter, you can. It's very, very simple. The app download was great. It's synced up to the lights just fine. No worries on any of that front. I love how it all tucked away seamlessly. And I really like how they just kind of integrate to right above your sunroof here. They're really kind of cool lights. Before this video is done, I'll have a whole lot of extra footage here that I'm putting up showing all the different features of the lights and some of the different streamer modes, and definitely at night. I want to get some shots of how it looks through the glass of the top, so if you can see any of the light coming through on the top there, and just to make sure it looks really nice. I love how it stands out. I need to clean my roof glass now with how much I was getting my hands up in there, but I'll do that later. Big thank you guys to watching this video. Big thanks to EVBase for sending it over as well. If you're interested in this product, a link to it will be down in the description, as well as a link to my link tree where all of the accessories are reviewed, a ton of them from EVBase, lots from Amazon. You can find all of those down to my link tree there. If you go ahead and click on that. As always, use the code GAMBLE1080 right here on the screen to save at EVBase, to save at any of those other websites I linked down in the description. Make sure you check all those out too. If you have any questions about this install or any thoughts or ideas of what I should do next, let me know down in the comments. Appreciate you guys coming back, and we'll see you in the next one.